Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Orion X here, back again with another video. Today, I have a few things that we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be meeting up with some friends at a local park and then just driving around, and my friend's like a pretty good photographer, so he's gonna maybe get some rollers. And I also have the drone with me, which is right here. And then I also have the GoPro, and I was thinking of doing, like, if all else fails in this video, if nothing else interesting happens for a title, I'll probably just title it like Lexus Rcf Sunset Cruise POV Drive, because I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head. Yes, I have done this before a long time ago, and a lot of you guys did enjoy the video. I think it got like over 10,000 views, or just a good amount of views, so it seems like, you know, everyone that saw it did enjoy it. And I know I do have a lot of new followers, so you guys can check it out. And a few updates. One thing I wanted to show you guys, I don't know if you noticed in the last video, but this trim I actually blacked out, and I wanted to do the other side, but I think I'm just gonna keep it chrome. It doesn't look that good. Like, the edges are a little bit messed up. I used a knifeless tape, but it's not focusing. But like, I don't know, right where the little, there's like a little piece that ends and then another rubber piece starts, and it just doesn't look clean enough right along that line. So there's that. Let me know what you guys think, but I think I'm gonna take it off because we still got the chrome on the wheels, so I don't really want to chrome delete unless I'm getting new wheels. Also, this black piece that we wrapped, which I figured would eventually happen, it is starting to lift up right there. You can see the bubble, and I think there's another small bubble here. This is gonna have to be redone someday, soon probably, because it looks terrible. There's like glue lines everywhere. This was just my first try, so good enough, right? I'm actually gonna pop this with my air release tool. See if I can get that to push in. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna stay, but good enough for now, right? Oh, hey, there's another one too. Yeah, this piece here definitely has to be wrapped in two separate pieces, like with an inlay, because I feel like this dip is just too far in for the vinyl to stretch that far. As you can see, you know, it's starting to come out now. Definitely gotta redo that soon here. Thank God vinyl is not the main focus of our video today. So yeah, today should be a pretty interesting video, I guess. And also, if you guys stay the whole video, I have a little surprise that's thrown in there. It's actually the RCF versus the Supra. Supra GR, I'm pretty sure that's like the racing version of the Supra, or, you know, like the performance package like I have on here. I just got on the highway the other day and he was right next to me, and I was like, yo bro, record it. And my friend honestly had pretty poor video skills. I was with him, but I don't know, we got like a few decent clips. I don't know if we got the race, like the whole race in it, but we did get just like drive-bys, and he was downshifting, his exhaust was crackling. So I'm just gonna throw those somewhere randomly in the video here, so you guys have to watch the whole video to find the Supra video. And yeah, I'm excited to just drive around, get some photos, get some videos, because recently we've just been hard at work with the labor. You know, we just did the side skirts. If you guys didn't see the install of that video, go check it out. And yeah, we work on the car a lot, so we also need to enjoy it at the same time. So as usual, I will get the cold start for you guys, and then I guess pretty soon y'all will see me with a GoPro on my head, and then see the GoPro driving footage. Alright, so I'm about to head out, and the GoPro is rolling. I really never thought that I was gonna do this again, because I did this before, but here we are. Such a disappointment. I actually also had to lower my seat quite a bit, because the last video I recorded, I remember I was recording like too much of the roof and not enough of like this area here. So I lowered my seat a lot. I'm sitting pretty low, and also like when I turned my head before, this was hitting the side thing here, so we should be good this time. Let's go. Alright, we're good.
Alright, so we're on our way home from Fort Lauderdale and we found a Supra up here and it's definitely modified. That's so funny, bro. He's up there.
He's gonna sit us.
We're trying to get
Yo, go behind him.
But I know that he lives by me and we're like 20 minutes from my house. And I know we're gonna go on the same highway, it's just there's a lot of cars. So maybe there's a slight chance we can get in a race. I don't know.
We're gonna see.
We're gonna see.
Yo! He's getting the Soviet.
Alright, so we pulled up. My boy Andre got the 370Z. Yo, what's that? Is that a 370Z too or 350? 350, alright, see, I know something. Oh, okay. Okay. Damn. That sounds pretty good.
It's pretty quiet.
Better than the FRS, huh?
Still gotta get the Y pipe and test my, yeah.
Well, this is inline 6 or V6?
V6, yeah.
Yeah.
EQ 30.
I like it. Alright, we got word that this boy's car is a lot louder, so. Yo, Shad, like, what's he got done? Test pipes, Y pipe, and cat back. What's it? You're good. They were right. This kid's car is a lot louder. You're good, bro. You're good. Alright, here we go. About to get the rollers. Ooh, okay. Hopefully some good images are being captured right now. Of course, when we're on our way to the spot, it starts raining. That's great. All right, that's perfect. As soon as we show up here, it actually stops raining. They are really bringing me all through these rocks and dirt again. I did this once and never thought I was gonna have to do it again, but I'm gonna go super slow here for sure. All right, so we're out here on this nature trail. We didn't fare too bad. Just got some dirt all over the side skirt and all inside there, but good thing we clear abroad this. We should be good. There is a lot of people out here, so much for social distancing. All right, so we're gonna pull out the drone for some drone action so we can put it over there and get photos going this way, because this hill kind of ends right over here and I don't think anyone wants to go swimming. And we got all these clouds over here with rain, which looks really cool. So we got some dual drone action going here. Mine is right there. You can see, and yours, I don't even know where yours is, but
I'm doing a flyby.
we're both messing around, practicing some settings to try to figure out how to take photos and videos. Well, I can't even keep up. How fast does that thing go?
I don't know.
This one only goes, this one goes like 30 max.
We're hitting like, what's like kilometers per hour, but it's like 55.
Got Ryan out here taking selfies with the drone. Guys, check it. Wait, bro, where's the, what was that,
Challenger?
SXT or something, bro? He had lights on the wheels. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Wait, we're definitely gonna get that before we leave, bro. Oh, yeah. Bro, he's got the underglow. Bro, watch him. Oh my god. Yo, that is the last thing that I would be doing right now. Oh my gosh. Yo, so way too stupid, fam.
Alright, let's go. Dang, you're looking good. What? Oh, I don't know.
Oh, you got the lights. There we are. Boys are out here. Buddy's got the underglow, the purple, and Buddy's got the freaking lights on the wheels too, right there in the Challenger. How it did shut off. If you turn it upside down, automatically shuts off.
That's awesome.
Because when you try to grab it, it forces you up. I don't know. I clicked land, but I don't know what happened.
That scared me, man.
Skill, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah, for the most part, that's gonna be it for here, I guess. I don't really have anything else to add in this video. I might just upload it how it is. I don't know if it's really long enough, but if not, we'll go out tomorrow and do some more stuff. And if it is long enough, you guys will see it like this. I got lighting credits to him, thank you. And I'm gonna head out now. God, I can't tell you how much I hate driving on this. There's like all these giant potholes you can see right there and there. So I just make sure that I try to avoid them and go super slow because I got those side skirts now and the front splitter, and I'm really not trying to destroy those. Oh, we're almost out of it. I don't know if you guys saw that lightning strike, but we have almost made it out. More potholes, more potholes. Oh my God. I would have just totally wrecked the car right there. Yo, that is not good.